every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to my food challenge where I'm trying Laura in the kitchen recipes for the very first time in front of the camera together with you. And today I'm going to try Laura's chicken francaise. And this is the time when I'm realizing what that wine I finished yesterday was for. So I guess I'll just use some more chicken stock. Oh, and also you'll see some curious looking parsley among the ingredients. It's my wait, what did I call it? Don't waste food during quarantine policy. So it will be frozen, it will be packed in a little tiny cube, pre-chopped by moi. That's it. So without further delay, if you want to see how it goes, how it looks and tastes in the very end, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 4 pieces of chicken breasts, around 100 grams each, pounded thinly, 2 eggs, 70 grams of flour, 1 cup of chicken stock, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 30 grams of butter, 3 grams of parsley chopped, and salt and pepper. A lot of seasoning with salt and pepper right now. I have my chicken here, which I'm gonna season with some salt and pepper from both sides. Then I'm gonna put the eggs into a shallow bowl, season them with salt and pepper, and of course whisk everything together. Here I'm gonna transfer the flour, and yes, you've guessed it, I'm gonna season it with some salt and pepper as well and mix to combine. And while I'm prepping things here, I figured I'll also combine the lemon juice with the chicken stock, which will be sauce later. And you know what? I can also dredge the chicken in the flour. I'll dredge it in the eggs right before putting them into the skillet, but the flour I can actually do here. I have more space here. I took a skillet which has the widest surface just because I was hoping that maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna be able to fit all of the chicken there in one go. We'll see, fingers crossed. So I'm gonna add the olive oil to the skillet and going to preheat it over medium-high heat. Once the oil is really hot, I'm gonna start dredging the chicken in the egg wash from both sides, adding it to the skillet, and then I'm gonna cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until it gets golden brown. Okay, now I'm going to remove the chicken. I'm going to add the chicken stock and lemon juice mixture along with the butter and parsley. I'm going to season that with some salt and pepper and then cook for 2 minutes. Beautiful. Now I'm going to turn the chicken back to the pan for 1 minute on each side, and that's it. Guess who's ready? Which one of you is calling me? I guess all of them, but let's start with this one, shall we? Oh, so good. I kind of was thinking at one point, like, we make the batter, right? So that the chicken would be crunchy. But then once you put it into the sauce, it won't be crunchy. It will be flavorful, but it won't be crunchy. Maybe that's what chicken franchise is all about. I don't know. Let's see. I know it will be good though. I mean, I can feel the lemon. I can see how wine would be nice in the sauce. Oh well, moving on. Oh, you know, I'm actually so lazy to do such dishes for myself, like on a normal day-to-day. Like, I love battered things. They're the best. Like any kind of piece of meat, you know, done in this way will be amazing. But even though it doesn't take that much time, this recipe is really quick. But somehow it feels like an extra step, you know, taking a plate for flour, taking a plate for eggs, and then dipping. It takes like a minute. But in my mind, it's like, oh my god, so much big work. Oh, this is so good. I love that I have my food challenge, because then I get to eat such things. I would be too lazy to make them. It's not crunchy, as I said, but it's a very flavorful coating on the chicken. So if you like chicken, if you like coated chicken, then you would probably like this, especially if you like Laura's food. I mean, who doesn't? Who doesn't? Those who haven't found her yet. That's who doesn't. So, I won't tell too much because it does have some sauce. I'm very, very pleased. Oh, that's so warm. I'm very pleased that I have some remainder, so that once I reheat, oh, they will get a bit more crunchy then. Am I like totally wishing that this dish would be different, even though probably this is its main characteristic? Don't mind me, I'm just uneducated. So this is how mine looks like. And then this is how Laura's looks like. They look like a brother and sister. Can we say that? I think we can. If you want to watch Laura make it, the link is there. If you want to try this recipe yourself, check the description box down below. You will find the recipe in both American, not American, imperial and metric system. I am converting every single recipe try of Laura into the metric system, as I'm using one myself. So if you're a fellow metric system user, I've got you covered. If you want more recipes like these, the playlist of them is here. And then I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was fun and helpful, and I will see you soon. Bye!